what's up? I'm Jacob. This is a 1996 Scout, and we're gonna tighten this throttle panel and throttle because it's loose from the panel. There's 3 screws that go in here. You'll have to unscrew it to detach it, and then in the middle of this, which just pops out, there'll be a bolt on the other side, and that's what we're looking to tighten up. All right. So right now I am filling the bolts and nuts, and I'm removing the nut from the bolt so I can push it out.
Jack, you want to throw that in there and show them what it kind of looks like?
I don't know if they'll be able to see really much in here, but there should be some bolts sticking out with nuts on them, and that's what we're detaching.
And you see how it's loose now?
See, he just took this boy out.
That's one. There's that. Let me get this other one.
Kind of a pain.
Is that the one up top? So that goes on.
This whole thing
like
detached. That's something to mount it
and then
with.
look in here. There's a bolt in there. It's probably loose. Pretty loose. All right, so here's the throttle, and there is the bolt we're trying to tighten. It's going to use a ratchet wrench with a 13 size, and all we're going to do is lube it up a little bit with some 40 and then tighten it up.
As tight as I can get it. All right, and that's it.
That's tight. All right, so I just unscrewed everything, took this out. I tightened the bolts back. After I tightened this throttle bolt, that was the bolt that was making it loose. It's on the inside, you can't see it, that's the outside of it. And you put this back on somehow.
We'll see if it wiggles.
Doesn't wiggle, and for now it's good. Something to keep an eye on.
I mean, it wiggles a little bit, but it's not
yeah.
it's the natural wiggle.
The only rule of thumb whenever working on a boat is you have to have beer. That's the only advice I can give you, because it's a learning thing 24/7. Everything always screws up, and then you have to learn how to do it. That's all I got.